What is the delayed effect of policy on birth rates? Imagine planting a seed today and waiting years to see it sprout. That's similar to how policies aimed at changing birth rates work over time. When a new policy is introduced, it does not immediately change how many babies are born. Instead, there is a waiting period before any noticeable effects show up. This delay happens because of how people plan their families and the timing of their decisions. In the United States, birth rates are often measured by the total fertility rate. This number shows the average number of children a woman is expected to have in her lifetime. Policies like tax benefits, parental leave, or child care support are meant to encourage more childbearing. But even if these policies are introduced today, their impact might not be seen for several years. One reason for this delay is that many women and couples tend to postpone having children. They might focus on finishing education, building careers, or waiting for the right time in their lives. So, even if a policy makes having children easier or more attractive, many will wait until they feel ready. This means the effect on birth rates only appears once these delayed decisions happen. Another factor is the age window for having children. Women usually have children between their late teens and early 40s. If they delay pregnancy past their prime fertility years, some may decide not to have children at all. This can lead to fewer births overall, not just a shift in timing. Changes in social norms and economic conditions also play a role. For example, during a recession, birth rates tend to drop quickly. But when the economy improves, it can take years for birth rates to bounce back. This is because people need time to feel secure enough to expand their families. In the United States, the total fertility rate has been falling since around 2007. Much of this decline is due to delayed marriage and childbearing. Some women are choosing to have children later, but many are not having as many children as before. This results in a permanent reduction in lifetime fertility, not just a timing shift. For policymakers, understanding this delay is important. They need to realize that even if they implement supportive policies today, it might take years before they see an increase in birth rates. Supporting young adults early in life with affordable housing, good jobs, and family-friendly policies can be more effective than focusing only on older women. Monitoring age-specific fertility rates helps show whether declines are due to postponement or fewer children overall. If the decline is mainly from postponement, it might bounce back once conditions improve. But if it's from a true reduction in fertility, the trend could continue downward. In summary, the delayed effect of policy on birth rates in the United States is influenced by how people plan their families, social norms, and economic factors. Changes in birth rates often take years or even decades to become visible, making it a slow process that requires patience and long-term commitment.